Thinking about buying a Samsung Galaxy phone or wondering if yours is genuine? Before you trust it with your personal data, take a few minutes to verify its authenticity. In this guide, I'll show you a simple official method to check whether your Samsung phone is original or fake using its IMEI number. Steps Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Here, you'll find your phone's IMEI number, which is a unique identification number assigned to your device. Press and hold the IMEI number to copy it. If your phone supports dual SIM, you can copy either IMEI number. Step 2. Next, open your preferred web browser and search for Samsung product registration. Make sure you open the official Samsung website for your country. Using Samsung's official registration page helps ensure you're checking your device with Samsung's own database. Step 3. On the Samsung website, tap or click the profile icon located at the top of the page. Sign in using your Samsung account credentials. If you don't already have a Samsung account, simply create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. After signing in, open the menu and select Product Registration. On the next page, choose the phone icon, then click the Register button to continue with the verification process. Step 5. Paste the IMEI number you copied earlier into the registration field. Double-check that you've entered the correct number, then click or tap Register. Step 6. If your Samsung phone is genuine, you'll usually see Already Registered, or you'll be given the option to register the device, indicating that Samsung recognizes the IMEI. If you receive messages like IMEI format is incorrect or IMEI number is invalid, it could indicate that the phone is fake, the IMEI was entered incorrectly, or the device has been modified. Important: this method provides a quick way to check whether a Samsung Galaxy phone appears to be genuine. For a more complete verification, also inspect the phone's warranty status, serial number, software information, hardware features, build quality, and purchase the device only from trusted sellers or authorized Samsung retailers. Combining these checks gives you the best chance of confirming that your Samsung phone is authentic.